Howdy all, this is Grandpa with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Houston Apartments, and wow, I'm in the 2929 Weslayan. We're doing a part 2 video. We've already walked in and seen this incredible penthouse 4 that's here. It's stunning. We've been out seeing this deck. Unbelievably huge. Now we're gonna go see inside the bedrooms, and so this has got this huge hallway. We're gonna walk in and see these. There's a half bath that's right there. There is a bedroom that's here. Whoa, this is a really nice sized bedroom. It's got some great floor to ceiling windows. Stunning, really nice closet. This is the bathroom. Let's see, it's right there. Yep, that's what it looks like, the bathroom. So this is kind of one of the bedrooms. It's not the master, but it's one of them. So really attractive, really cool. We go down this hallway. So we've got bedroom number 2. We've got bedroom number 3. And then we do have a laundry room that's here. But let's look at the master. This master is massive. My goodness. It's just massive, and you can walk out onto your balcony. Whoa, it's wraparound. Look at this balcony. Man, you've got these views. Whoa, this is just blowing my mind. It's like you have the whole floor. It's incredible. I'm gonna walk into the bathroom. The bathroom is stunning. Huge tub here, floor to ceiling windows, by the way. Hey, no one can see you. You're gonna have all the privacy you want. You've got great walk-in shower there. You've got a dual sink here, very, very pretty. Gorgeous, gorgeous look and feel. You've got this closet that's very big too. You walk in, the closet is massive. Lots of shelf space. I mean, just literally everything about this penthouse is big, big, big. My goodness. So anyway, I've just taken a couple of videos, but man, it would take probably 3 or 4 to really get this right. It's just a massive apartment, 3 bedrooms with a den and a utility room. And you know, that's just this inner space here. It's a phenomenal penthouse, and it's available, as of this filming, it's available right now. If you have any questions or you'd like to see it, send me a text. Just use the number below.